In this video, I'm going to show you how to build complete AI-powered sales funnel using DeepSeek in 2025. Start by opening DeepSeek and typing a prompt like create a sales funnel for this product. Then, include your target audience, product details, and your goal, whether it's leads, sales, or sign-ups. DeepSeek will instantly generate a full funnel layout, including landing page copy, email sequences, CTAs, product hooks, and follow-up messages. You can ask it to rewrite versions that sounds more persuasive, more emotional, or more professional, and even request multiple approaches like soft sell, hard sell, or story-driven funnels. DeepSeek can also create ad copy, headline variations, upsells, and customer retention messages to complete your funnel. Once done, copy everything into your website builders or email platforms and launch your campaign. And that's it.